So pluck, pluck, stop. So you're gonna go, and then you mute. So index, 3rd fret, 5th string, 3rd finger, 4th fret, 4th string, middle finger, 3rd fret, 3rd string, pinky, 4th fret, 2nd string, and you're gonna pluck 5th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings, and you're gonna go pluck, pluck, stop. It's almost a percussive thing. You do that with each chord. Then you're gonna put your index on the 4th fret, 6th string, and it's gonna also bar the 4th fret, 4th and 3rd string, and your pinky goes on the 7th fret, 2nd string, and you go 6, 4, 3, 2, and you go pluck, pluck, stop, pluck, pluck, stop. And then you move your index back so it's plucking and barring the 4th string, 5th string, and 3rd string. So 4th fret, 5th, 4th, and 3rd string, and your pinky stays, and you go, and then you slide up to F sharp, major 7th chord, which is your index on the 9th fret, 3rd finger on the 11th fret, 4th string, middle finger on the 10th fret, 3rd string, pinky on the 11th fret, 2nd string. So index, 9th fret, 5th string, 3rd finger, 10th, 11th fret, 4th string, middle finger, 10th fret, 3rd string, pinky, 11th fret, 2nd string, and then you got a bar so that you can go. So it's you have to kind of arpeggiate that last thing. 1st string, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. You're just playing the exact same strings you're already holding down.